Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get the best possible sign-up bonus on the platform OKX. And to do that, you simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to this sign-up page right here. And you can see you can get an up to $10,000 mystery box right here. As you can see, all you have to do is just enter your email right here or enter a referral code. If you click on the link, it will be added automatically, so that's the easiest way. And all you have to do is you have to sign up, and then you will get your first mystery box. You can also get a second one if you just check this right here where it's explained. You will get the first one directly after your sign up, and the second one if you deposit at least $50 worth of crypto within the first 30 days after registration. You will get another mystery box. I can also show you can easily open them in your app or in the browser, whatever you want. And as you can see, I opened some of these mystery boxes. As you can see, I earned some of the Ethereum, some Bitcoin, and you will always get at least a few dollars worth of crypto out of that. If you're lucky, of course, you can, as you can see, up to $10,000, which is of course very rarely, but at least a little bit. If you're a little bit lucky, you can get a few 10, if not $100, but don't worry, a few dollars will always be in there. So that's already it. Just use the link down from the video description, and you will go to the sign up page right here, and you can claim the bonus. And if you have any other questions or you want to see other tutorials on the platform OKX, you can check out. I have other videos on that on my YouTube channel, or I also have them linked in the video description. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.